What's up, traders? So let's do a full multi-time frame analysis of Euro AUD. Let's find out what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Now we'll see first of all bigger picture monthly time frame. Now what you see that Euro AUD on the monthly is dropped below without any support. So we have seen that this current monthly candle is a disaster to the downside. The price broke this level of support and aggressively moved down without any stoppage. So currently in this we still have 2 weeks to go on the monthly, but what do you see that there is a little bit of retracement to the upside. So when you see this kind of move, you finally can expect further lower because there is nothing on the left side. You see, this is the price when 2017 this price reached almost 5 years earlier. This price came to this level, so we could see further lower on this instrument, as we already have seen a healthy retracement to the upside, so we might see another wave to the downside. Now let's see on the weekly time frame how the price action is forming. Now with that being said, on the weekly we have seen in Euro AUD a textbook pin bar. Now this is a textbook pin bar with a long wick at the top, and there is a smaller body at the bottom. Now with this long wick, what we see, basically what we have seen, that Euro AUD tested this very important level of support as a resistance. If you see that this is the weekly support here in the past, and if we even extend this line to this level, what we see in the past, the price acted here as a resistance in this level. So long ago in 2017 and in 2021 we see this level acted as support, and the price came to this level, acted as a support and aggressively moved to the upside, created a double top. Now what we see, a break of this support, as usual tested as a resistance. Now from here we can expect Euro AUD to drop. So we have a lot of confluence, as you know that this is a downtrending market. Now let's see also the Fibonacci retracement, how much retracement it has made so far in Euro AUD. To do that, take your Fibonacci, place it at the starting of the move to the end of the move, and what do you see, that Euro AUD has been just retraced from 38.2 to 50% Fibonacci level, and we see a rejection from here. So this is happens when the trend is in a very strong momentum. The price normally doesn't move that much up. So with that being said, Euro AUD from here we can expect a slide to the downside, at least to this level of support, which can give us a significant trading opportunity on the lower time frame. Now let's see daily time frame how the price action is forming. Now daily we saw a bigger move. This is a crazy move to the downside, and then we saw a wave of retracement, tested this 20 period moving average, and as usual the price now started to drop. So what is our approach? Now as you see that there is a, in this retracement we saw a green move couple of days, and there is a one red candle in the middle. You saw this, and now what happened, we see that another red move, and there is two possibility to happen now, is to create another green candle here, okay, something like a lower high, maybe around this zone lower than this daily candle, and then drop. So it will create basically an inverted, pardon me, head and shoulder. One possibility. Another possibility is to open with a gap, because the price already broke this daily level of support here. So if it breaks with a gap here, okay, on the daily time frame in the new trading week, then what we might see, that Euro AUD directly dropping from here. Okay, so what is our approach in this case? Let's go back to the weekly time frame to see one more thing. You see there is a back to back two weekly opening and close. Let's draw a level, because even the price, if the price started to move from here, we could see a little bit of our price to test this um, weekly close and might be dropping. So let's go back to daily again. Now this is the situation we might see. that the price either will open a gap here and then start to drop immediately to the downside, or the price might open a gap and then will go up little bit, test this support, weekly support as a resistance, and then drop. So let's see all of this on the 4 hour time frame, how we can find a trading opportunity. Now this is the hot zone that we will be waiting on the 4 hour. If the price open with a gap, let's say for example at the price open with a gap with a candle, there is no wick at the top, something like that, then what we'll be doing, we will be immediately going short with our student and keeping at least 1 to 3 or more risk to reward ratio one situation. On the other hand, if we see that on the first day of trading week there is a slow retracement to the upside, then we will be waiting for this price to see how much retracement it make to this move to the downside. In that situation, we will be trading from here with a high risk to reward ratio, and both cases we will consider price action confirmation as I explained in this analysis. Now if you find value in this analysis, then don't forget to smash the like button and also drop a comment below this idea to help this idea to be visible to more people. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.